Hi guys, and welcome to another video, another new YouTube video. I got some new hair going on, guys. What do you think? Had to switch it up for the fall, you know, but I'm about to change my hair again because today is my birthday, guys. So I'm about to get my bust down 30-inch installed or whatever. But today is my birthday, November 8th, 2024. In this video, I'm probably gonna vlog my birthday and do a birthday video, just like so you guys can see everything that I did, everything that I got, because I do have a lot of things planned. Today I'm just gonna get beautified, get cute, take some pictures. Then tomorrow I'm going to do something in the morning. I'm not sure what it is. It's supposed to be a surprise. And then I'm going to go eat. And then I'm going out with my girlies for the night. And then the next day I'm gonna have brunch and I have a family dinner. My family is coming from Jamaica, from Cali. And they're cooking, so I'm excited because I get some good Jamaican food from my grandmother. It's been too long. So another great thing that has happened to me, guys, is I have been on my weight loss journey. I have been making sure I get a lot of footage so that you guys can really see the change from day to day. And today it's been a month since I started and I'm down 11 pounds. So in another month, for me to be down another 11 pounds will be crazy. I will be in the 190s. Majority of my life before having kids, I was in the 170s, 160s, maybe 150s. I don't know. I'm sure when I was younger, but like in high school, I was around, you know, those 170s. And then once I had my kid, once I had my daughter, I got a bigger, not super big, but I did get bigger. And I was able to get myself back down to 180. And then, you know, I started to gain weight because I was just eating. And then I had brief intermission. My dad is calling. Sorry. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Sorry, my phone is super... Okay, y'all, I'm back. Sorry, my phone is super busy this morning. Rightfully so. It should be, because I should feel loved on my day, right? Anyways, this video, I'm probably going to be filming my birthday and then making a separate video for that. But this video, I just got a package. So I'm just coming to you guys to show you guys what I got in my package. And to show you guys, I'm still using Miss Rihanna, Miss Fenty. Still using her. But oh yeah, for my weight loss journey, guys, yeah, I've been filming that and I am down 11 pounds. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you guys can see any differences from my last video. I know my arms are so fat. It's really hard to target areas. I tend to lose weight in my face and my you know, stomach, which, you know, that's where we usually want to lose weight. So I guess I'm happy with that. But yeah, guys, this is where I'm at. Smaller. I'm down 11 pounds, guys, and I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I started at 215. My lowest after the kids is 192 after both kids. After Zuri is like 180. After Candace, I got down to 192. I was like, I'm looking good, I'm looking great, I'm cool with this, and I gained the shit back. So here we are. I started out my journey at 215, and today, this morning, I am 204. My goal weight is like 175. 175, you know, 170, I feel like would be a good weight for me. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So one thing I don't like about Fenty, because it is expensive. It's not as expensive as all the skincare products out there, but it is pretty expensive. I need better packaging. I really do. It's unacceptable. Let's unbox her. She usually always puts like a whole bunch of like stuff in it. Sure, she did the same, but I think it's just to keep the products like packed well, whatever. So this is how the box usually comes, with her little Fenty skincare logo thingy. This is how the boxes have come since I started ordering from her. She hasn't changed it. I think she should. You got some more money, invest in your packaging. And I know that Savage Fenty is also bringing in the money. So yeah, like, come on, girl. Oh, so she has upgraded to crunched up paper instead of the little things. If you go to my old videos, I have another Fenty. So this is how it came. So I have 2 new products, which is why I did the thing. If I was only getting my main products, I probably wouldn't have did this video. But I did get 2 different things, and I want to smell them and show you guys them. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys that I got, and I always get, I just needed some new, If you watch my old video, my last video, I did this for my lash. I use this for my lashes to wash my face, and I use it every day. But it's the Total Cleanser Fenty. Okay, the next one is my moisturizer. So it is the Hydra Visor Refill Instant Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 50 or SPF 30 sunscreen. So live by this, love this smell. I love this. I need this. I was so out of it. Another thing is the Instant Reset Overnight Gel Cream. As I said, I don't use this every day. But it's just the travel size. Well, it says use every night, so whatever. But that's how it looks. Such oof. I love her product. Like, oh my god, I love her product. And I'll show you what this looks like. It's just the refill because I have the holder for it already. This is how. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this on the last video as well, but this is a new one. Now let's get into my new products. So the first new one I'm gonna be showing you is Fenty Hair. I didn't buy this, really didn't give it a chance, but this was free. And it is the Curl Defining Cream. I might use this for Zuri's hair. And it says it has you part your hair in sections with wet hair, put it into sections, and then I guess blow dry. Those steps aren't really that clear to me. What do you guys think that says? Wash hair, separate hair, apply cream. I don't know what this hand curl, rinse out and dry, like scrunch up. I don't know. Scan the QR code, I guess. I don't know. And the last one is the Cherry Dub Blah Blah Face Mask, which I'm gonna be using today. Oh, look at the packaging. Oh my God. So good. And oh my God, I can't wait to smell. Oh, it has a little cover over it. Oh my God, I love her packaging. It just makes you excited to get like into her stuff. Whoa, guys. It doesn't smell the greatest, like, but maybe it'll come in more once. It's not like it smells nasty, but it's not a strong Cherry Dub smell because I have other Cherry Dub. I have her lip thing that's Cherry Dub, her lip oil, and the and I tried her face scrub in Cherry Dub, and it was a lot stronger than this. But I'm excited. I love the packaging. I love the texture of this. What do you guys think? Would you try Fenty? I'm going to wash my face and stuff, and you know, yeah, I was just showing you guys. I wanted to show you guys do a little quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go enjoy my birthday weekend, and then I will post a video so that you guys can enjoy and see it with me. Stay tuned.